welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. So today we're going to be testing, swatching, and using this new company I found. It's a small company and I found them on Instagram actually. I don't even know how I found them, but I was just so impressed. They are called Dipped and Dusted Nails, and I'm all about supporting small business, number one, Latina-owned business, number two, and women-owned business. So power to you, okay? This is goals. And I've also read a lot of reviews and stuff like that. She makes these herself. This is just amazing. So you can use these as dips and as acrylic, and the only reason why I know is because one, I saw it on her IG story, and then number two, I actually did these swatches with acrylic monomer because I was just not for I wanted y'all to see the full color, and the best way to do that was with acrylic monomer on these plastic swatches. But look at these colors. I purchased these myself. This is not a sponsored video. I just really enjoy sharing amazing products with y'all, so go find them. Dipped and Dusted Nails. I got all the swatches that could mix and match, so I was really impressed and really excited. They have liquids, but I just used the liquids that I have, so I already went in with my gel base. So I built my own nails with some builder gel, and basically that's what I use instead of a tip or some other form of doing my dip nails. So I went in with my double dipped base and then dip my nails in Icon, and it's the same process for the entirety of the whole look. You just dip and then wipe off, put a base, dip again, and it's pretty easy. This look only took me 20 minutes. These colors are amazing. I love chunky glitters, and the nude was just so beautiful. So I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the application. also after I put that activator on, I waited until the nails got a lot harder and just started going ham on filing. And I read one of my comments and someone said that they wanted to see the filing, so I just figured I'd leave it for a couple of videos. I usually don't like to leave filing because I think it's boring. I don't know, maybe y'all think different. But anyways, so Dipped and Dusted Nails, they have other products, not only dips is their main thing, but they have cuticle oil, cuticle pens, they have lip scrubs, and they have their own liquids, which is great. So go check them out. Like I said, I am all about supporting small business, and this is not a sponsored video. I'm just sharing what I love, to use. And, I've been getting into dip, especially that I'm doing my mom's dip nails a lot more. And I'm just trying to figure out and explore new companies. So I just thought this was a really nice one. When I finished my dip top application, you gotta let that dry a little bit. It does get tacky and then it gets like really shiny. So I ended everything off with some cuticle oil, and honey, I'm telling you, I did both hands because I was just like, I love these glitters. So they came out so cute. Again, go check them out. If you want to be a part of the DIY Familia, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Y'all, thank you so much for watching. Again, make sure you comment, share, and subscribe. Y nos vemos en la próxima.